Hi, join me today while we wrap these hearts in some velvety smooth yarn. I picked up this beautiful yarn at Hobby Lobby, and the hearts we've made out of chipboard, 1.5 millimeter chipboard on the Cricut Maker. Grab your yarn and you're going to wrap around your hand 40 to 50 times. Grab your heart and we're going to go ahead and start in the middle right here, and you're just going to give some firm pressure as you're wrapping, and you're going to go ahead and wrap all the way around your heart until you can't see the chipboard. So you're going to wrap and wrap side to side, up and down, whichever way looks good to you. Flip it over on the other side. Make sure you can't see the chipboard on either side or on the edges. And then once you've had it completely wrapped, we will cut the yarn off and then we'll move on from there. Go ahead and grab your scissors and we're going to cut off the end there. And then we're just going to take that end and tuck it in on the back side. So I've got my knife tool, I'll just gently tuck it in and we're good to go on that. So I'm going to also create a loop. So if you've got like a Valentine's Day tree and you want to hang it, it's perfect for hanging. We'll just kind of tuck it in there and we'll go ahead and make that loop. We're going to do one knot and then we'll do a double knot on top of that. And then once we've got that done, we'll cut off the ends. And it's perfect for hanging. I thought it'd really be cute to turn these hearts into flowers. So I've grabbed some dowels from Hobby Lobby, and we've got some green pipe cleaners, and we're just gonna wrap them around until we reach the bottom. Make it look like a stem there, so you may need a couple of pipe cleaners to do this. And then keep wrapping until you've reached the bottom. Make sure you can't see the dowel through any of the pipe cleaners as you wrap. And then we'll need one more, so that's 3 pipe cleaners. And then we're gonna go ahead and make a leaf. So we're gonna take a pipe cleaner, cut it in half, and then bend that one half in half, just like I've done there. And then we're gonna loop these together by their middle. And then you're gonna twist once on one side, fold over, push them out just a little bit so they make a leaf, and then twist at the bottom, and voila, you have your leaf. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and separate our pipe cleaners and add some hot glue to the dowel, to the stem, and add one of your leaves. Let it set there for a few seconds, let the glue dry. You want to shape that a little bit. And then go ahead and grab your other leaf, add it to the other side, a little bit of hot glue. Let that set up for a couple seconds. Go ahead and unwrap your pipe cleaner around 2 or 3 rows right underneath the leaves, and then you're going to go ahead and re-wrap it over the bottom part of the leaves, and that'll just make those leaves nice and secure in there. And now you're just going to go ahead and shape the leaves as you like, and we have our heart flower. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.